In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Discord update failed. So if you're trying to update the Discord application and if it is failing, there are few things that you can do in order to fix it. First of all, what you have to do is simply try killing all the Discord tasks. For that, open the task manager. Click on the search icon. Now what you have to do is search for task manager over here. After you do that, what you have to do is click on this option open. Now you can see over here the task manager has been opened. Now if the Discord is running, you'll be able to find this option for Discord over here. What you have to do is simply right click on it and click on this option end task. After you do that, you can see over here all the tasks of the Discord will be ended. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try deleting the cache or app data. For that, what you have to do is press Windows and R key. Now the run will be opened. Now over here simply type in percentage local app data percentage, give the backward slash. Now what you have to do is simply type in Discord. After you do that, press enter. Now after you do that, simply delete the local app data. Simply select all the files and click on this option delete. Likewise, you'll also have to delete the app data. For that, what you have to do is press Windows and R key again. Now over here, simply type in percentage app data percentage / Discord. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be able to see the app data over here. Simply select this folder as well. For that, select all the files and click on this option delete. Now after you do that, the cache and the app data will be deleted. After that, your problem should be solved. Now what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Click on the start icon, hover over the power icon and click on the option power. Now click on this option restart. Now after you restart your computer, your problem should be solved. Also try temporarily disabling the antivirus software. It might be preventing the update. After you do that, your problem can be solved. But sometimes the problem can be the network itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try restarting the router. After you do that, connect to a stable internet connection. Now your problem should be solved. So these are basically the fixes for your problem. So that is how you fix Discord update failed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.